PlayStation VR is an affordable introduction to quality VR. Many of the experiences aren't as crisp as the ones found on the Oculus Rift or HTC Vive, but, for a system that uses a PS4 instead of an expensive PC gaming rig, we're not complaining. Like other virtual reality headsets on the market, PlayStation VR has the arduous task of completely immersing you in a video game by producing two images simultaneously and then sending them to a headset a few feet away. But unlike the competition who require expensive graphics cards to get the job done, PSVR can do it using only the PlayStation 4's built-in GPU. It achieves this by using the PlayStation camera to track 9 different points of light on the headset and the lights on either the Move controllers or on the DualShock 4, depending on which game you're playing. PlayStation VR isn't a wild reimagining of the VR headset, but it's one of the most attractive efforts that we've seen so far. The head-mounted display, HMD, screams minimalism with a tag team of black and white matte plastic touches. Its final iteration is interspersed with 7 front-facing blue lights that the PlayStation camera picks up to track your location and head movement. For games that require you to turn around, Sony stuck 2 more blue lights on the back of the strip, bringing the total number of trackable lights to 9.